Hello my planner pals and welcome back. And if you're new here, then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Comedy Design, and today I'm going to share with you how you can turn these notch boxes that are for the monthly into a regular box. Now I do have a whole video on how you can use these. I will link that here, but if you don't want to use these as is, you can make them into a rectangle. You can totally do that. So let's have a look. Now you can see that this one is actually for the big, and this is a good example of this because I couldn't put that in a classic monthly. It wouldn't fit. So I could put it in a weekly. I can put it somewhere else on my currently or something like that. So let's have a look. All we have to do, and this is the way that I like to do it. You do you, boo. I cut diagonally, and you'll see that I'm cutting that from the diagonal just through the notch. So I've just cut through the notch. Then I'm going to cut that bit off. So I've cut diagonal and then cut off. And then all I have to do is lay it down, and this could be on your sticker paper or wherever, and then lay that on top. It's just a great way to get your box sticker without it having a little bit missing here. So that's my quick tip for today. Cut your sticker up to make it fit whatever it is that you are doing. So again, I'm going to show you here. That's what it looked like before. That's what it looks like now. So all I did was cut a diagonal line here. I didn't go all the way. I just cut it to here. And then I cut this bit off here. So number one, number two, layer them together and you're done. All right, I hope this just helped you maybe use all of the stickers that are the weird notch ones in your sticker books. If you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye.